Welcome to another episode here at my YouTube channel. My name is Tom with the call sign Lima Bravo 6 Quebec Juliet. Maybe I should start saying my call sign because everyone knows me by now, at least for those who are a member of my channel. But I've been doing, I am doing soon contesting, and I really want to find a program that can do everything for me, but also like want one program that can do everything that I need, especially with logging from JSTX. And I were in a contest and I kind of like that, so I really want to try also a little bit contesting more and more on my own. And I want to find a program that can do everything that I need, and I landed on a program called LOG4OM. So basically log for old men, that's what everyone calls it now. And it's program that allows me to connect to the radio, so I can like get frequencies and stuff like that, and I can log everything with different profiles. I can run multiple call signs in the program, but contesting, I haven't done much experimenting with it. But if I'm going up to, I was looking on few of the contests that we have in Norway, the NRRL, the phone test, and the municipal county test, especially. And when I went into contest setting, and originally all of the NRL access contesting were not in the database, and that is strange because a lot of other contest is there, and I was like digging where I can just place it in. It's not a very obvious place to put it or edit the contest file of where it is, so you can just add your own contesting in there. But if this works really well, I'm going to let LOG4OM OM to ask. I'll let them know that I have a request, and just they could probably just have it in their like default. But if it's not there and if they don't do it, you can actually do it on your own, but you just have to tweak a file just a little bit, and it's not difficult. So if you want to add like your own contest into LOG4M or Log for Old Men, I'm gonna pronounce it from now. It's very simple. Just follow my steps. Go to open your file browser, and then what you can do is to go to, everything is in Norwegian, but I'll translate everything to you. So this PC, if you're having a Windows 10, pretty much the same on Windows 11. And then go to local disk or wherever the program is installed. And then, now actually it is local C because it's a user configuration you're doing. So, and then you go to users, for us it's this name, and then the user account that you're currently using on your computer. In my case, it is it's radio, because I have a small ThinkCenter, Lenovo ThinkCenter M72 PC that I'm remoting, that I'm using. Double click on radio, and then you will see nothing what we are looking for. And it's easy. So go up to the address bar, just click twice, and then you're having a that one. I don't remember stroke or whatever you want to call it. And then you type in app data. And then you just hit enter. Now you are into a folder that you normally don't see, but this one is important. Go to double click on roaming, and then double click on LOG4OM2. Now you are into a lot of stuff that is user specific, not the program itself in that sense. And then you will find a file called contest.csv. Mine, don't look on the icon because I have installed OpenOffice, so I can technically open in like a spreadsheet, but don't do that. I done that and the file ended up being a little bit corrupted. Right click on the file then hit open in, and then you choose Notepad. Notepad is a genius tool. I'm using it all the time. And you also preserve formats, the file format, when you're using Notepad. And then you are into the list of where all of the contests are. And I added 3 contests in here that is related to NRRL. Maybe that one I don't need anymore. But if you write everything down the way it is laid out in the file and then hit save, you're done. So I can do like a well, let's start with a sort of like a new one. I did mention it before in a video that was just wrong. So it is Poda and Soda, so why not CAROTA? It's stupid, but either way. Cars on the air. That'll be a little bit fun. Okay, so I have a like a semicolon here, and then I have a short name for it. It's probably very stupid. Sitting in different types of cars, that will give points. No, that'll be cool. But either way, and then you save it. Yeah, save it. File or save, or hit just Control S on your keyboard. And then you close the file, and then you opening. Actually, I should probably open this program again. Should probably have the program closed when you're doing that. And what you do is you go to contest and contest setting, and then you should find it. It's not sorted alphabetically automatically. I have noticed that. Or maybe it does. Oh yeah, cars on the air. It does sort it automatically. Also, basically, it means that you can just place everything on the bottom of the page, and then you just do it that way. All right, so this is a very simple way on how to add your own contests in this program. And yeah, all right, so that was the video for today, and I hope you like it, and I wish you a nice day. Bye-bye.